Welcome back. This is episode 4 of my Honda rebuild. I've got some parts for the CR125 that I need to restore, starting with the fuel tank. Meanwhile, while I wait for the Cerakote to cure, I made a list of all the parts that I still need. There was a ton of them. Looked at this blank wall and thought, that looks boring as Gonna have to do something with that. Ordered some new parts, posted some stories on IG, then it was back to work.